In this video, we will show you how to assemble your 60-volt mini bike. To assemble your mini bike, you will require a ratchet, a 14mm socket, a 13mm wrench, a 4mm Allen key, and a 6mm Allen key. Remove the cardboard box. Your mini bike is shipped in a heavy-duty metal frame. In order to remove the bike and its components, the upper frame will need to be partially dismantled. Disassemble the frame by removing the nuts and bolts using a ratchet, 14mm socket, and 13mm wrench. Careful, the edges may be sharp. You should wear safety gloves for this step. Cut the metal wires holding the bike to the upper frame. With a partner, lift and remove the upper section of the frame and set it aside. Cut the zip tie and remove the box from under the bike frame. This box contains the batteries, charger, manuals, and tool pouch. Remove all remaining packaging and zip ties from the bike and its components. The handlebar and display unit are attached to the bike by cables. Be careful not to damage these. Keep the box and all packing material until you have confirmed that the mini bike is properly assembled and operating correctly. Inspect the mini bike to ensure no damage has occurred in shipping. Loosen the bolt securing the display to the handlebars with a 4mm Allen key. Do not remove the display. Remove the upper handlebar clamps using a 6mm Allen key. Position the handlebar on the mounting point. Reattach the upper clamps and securely tighten the 4 screws. Ensure that the clamps are tightened evenly and the handlebars are centered. Test the handlebars to confirm they are secure and do not move forward or backward. Adjust the display to the desired angle and tighten the bracket. Remove the protective plastic from the brake handles, lights, and display. Cut the metal cables holding the bike to the bottom of the frame. And with assistance, lift the bike out of the cage. Push the kickstand down and carefully lean the bike over so its weight is supported. Next, inflate the tires. Tires are inflated when shipped, but they may lose pressure during transit. Inflate the tires to 10 psi. not overinflate, as this could damage the tire or wheel. And that's it. Properly maintained, your GREENWORKS mini bike will provide you with years of great service. To learn more about this product, including how to charge the batteries, operation, and general maintenance, visit our YouTube channel. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.